poly pipe and rigid PVC are no match for Ratchet cutters from King Innovation. The Ratchet cutter is constructed with a durable cast aluminum body and features a pointed steel blade to slice right through up to 1 1/4 inch Schedule 40 or Class PVC pipe. You will come to expect clean cuts every time with King Ratchet cutters, as these powerful tools are made for daily use. The ergonomic handle cushions hands and fingers even after extended periods. Replacement blades for the Ratchet cutter are available.